Lady, Bacho Mwakwaba.
Bacho Mejo Super.
Bacho Bibia Boko dear.
Unyanko Pandora, my home pa.
Nice one. You're getting to know your name and at least mama, a little background about what you do.
Yeah.
By Yensha CM free why music?
Okay. That was it. Mechia with you for na machia chief of staff or manshia has it.
Okay, Mr. Kofi Bedu.
Okay. Nyamisha no pa afin so yen ura krura ohene Opemsuo. Eboni di ani apagya yemu.
Yeah.
Acho baby obia echia no medana sepan so. Music is everything, and I think that is a field that Radin Yankopon de mi behye mu.
Okay.
If you say obia wa do mache de. Ti mi so me de ye nyom to.
Okay.
Pachai.
Just as me know to hey, me hwe a wonfie enko nanim sabali sakon nanim kaka. Emre ben I would discover say music is something that so wo far to ho say bia we any full time and I say and you be di mpo na wo gina sorry dem ato a but wow pen ne paper na wo tro wo dia asema wo de beto that music mono the message that you want to preach will be heard by people. Emre ben you'll discover this in you.
All right, so sir I do the misano. I remember the age of 8 to 10 years. Na me mama mo epi na coming kwa ofia. I just pick my Bible, then my facultation.
Okay.
Na mature verse. Oba me say this is it. Let me sing for you. Na me this particular verse no. Atonyo mama me mama. That time no na me say then nim de me ye ne say ebia e wo future.
Yeah.
But na me ya me fa we na say bia ya botira me say okay ma ene me to abotre ho nyuma atwo na me de ato. So gradually me ma me who say okay ne bia bibi o me mu and nyamenya dom so na me papa ye osofo and so omo church and na me ma me ka say okay obema me opportunity na one time matonum e church ho.
Okay.
No ahwe and na ye ma me opportunity ti one time na me to nyum and that was it.
I asked about why music and what might the reason why you choose music.
Yes.
So my next question will be say why gospel music? Because once all can say offer where it be what Bible mo to say abotre. Abotre kruya no the can say secular music. There is a musician or did that same word abotre abonyoma. And that the gospel music file no more fancy ho. Yeah, the shebe before.
Okay.
So why choose gospel music?
Okay. So as I said, once I say it was from where I was coming from no. Me free as of fie.
Okay.
So ye I grew up from morning devotion, teachings around the Bible, everything. So I knew nothing apart from the scriptures.
Okay.
Yes. Inti eno ena yedimi shame nti ho na me free but enu ni ade a na minim. I say sebi papa bi a wawo ne ba na de ode betete oba no.
Oil lawyer person buy lawyer no.
Sebe u die ni oboni bi wo be ni ma uni enu an obefa.
Sure.
I just nyame bem and na bia kran besisa. Ti me no sa ne koye. Honum na me papa ye sofo nti no eno no no de twen ya nti as I was saying me ma me pie no ba de me fa ye Bible tem de be fa enwom de ama no. So that was where I was coming from and and one nyini ye.
Okay.
Mpachai.
On socials no it's not just written there as a gospel musician.
Okay.
It's also Yasatra was a lady reverend. Meaning say there are gospel musicians and there are reverend ministers doing the gospel.
Okay.
Meaning so who say different now you will be on the end so to nyamenyom. And you will be on the nyamenyom na size say water no. Say we were fast on the house say or sa de be in church. In Zebia or Kobe Kramia or Denino as a reverend in the gospel fraternity. And yet chinchine trying say a reverend as a not the end Bible scriptures and so forth. We want to get to know you and know you better. Ain't it lady reverend no? Is it something I now hear that and the music about Beckham and I say through the music and I take you from just delivering the message through the songs to also being able to stand in people and also talk about Eradia 7.
That's it. Actually, I'm an ordained reverend minister.
Okay.
And no me je suane nkyerɛkyerɛ wo nyame asɛm kyerɛ mu.
Okay.
And I'm a san so ye enyum tuni.
Okay.
So ye nneɛma mmienu wei ɛna meyɛ. Ɛnyɛ music ni mu na mayɛ ordained.
Okay.
Meyɛ reverend minister, I ordained minister, me call theology school.
Okay. Nti sɛ enyum to ne kra ɛwɔ nkyɛn a ugina hɔ sa care rade asɛm ankasa. Yeah, creative industry, you being part of it because you are doing music, you know. Yes, music is a profession on its own. Music is more of less like a business. Idea will be a full time, and then everyone will tell you, say, oh yenyum, oh tro, oh koto, oh de koto baby aton, oh kan wasem, enya de kitwa. It is a oh yena would be kan wa ana ed. What's our fat on what he said? He said, be ya ordaining wo. Say jina nipa nim ka erade asem no e no nkwa on his own nkwa to say lawyers me no awaka o mabomu na omoye because erade asem ne de ede na say wo kan ma obi ate afa aye ho adwuma ya de fofo combining you being a reverend minister on its own and then you being a gospel musician, how has it been? Any difficult and we wait 3 months, why we 6 months?
You see, it's difficult. The entire America difficult. I don't have my own church. Okay. I'm a pastor. Okay. And see, abema ema bedden no nye bebre wo so. Yes. And see, senka me wo me own church. I'm a pastor. Kanka metimi aye because me now on a time. Preacher, it will be on Sundays and the weekdays. You have your sermons prepared already, and the music too. Programs are and I walk or prepare na wako. And commit to me. I blend it too. Na manai yeah. Okay.
How be any?
How be any?
Oh,
say mintrano preaching no. Yeah. Music na ye nyamia sem na bi na. Yedi afa enyum to kwan so no kwer enti same as
DJ simple mu say no maso na edin wanye ne nyoma wo kan sa na onti
and na me di afa nyum ama
no what you say very well one me be ya adwen say music is business
sometimes
it's for Lady Lucy and I'm in the nkomo me say bisa ma say me bi Lady, whatever my only me ya adwen say music is business.
Sometimes, but on what basis now? Ufriba, na me who baby I'm the bishop.
Say, I'm from the basics. Say, on sorry preocupen Tonyo mon to ho expect say obi mbeti. Music is a business in the aspect. Say, you know, say you have to do music, promote it.
Exactly.
And then also when him say ya oh ye no, say be obey video man cry too. Nya de ketwa. So you know say I was said the oye no di bibi udi swaba.
Exactly.
Unyamu fruit at least. So in that aspect, say you agree with me, say nyum to no aside preaching and then telling the message through your music, no. I will say unya bibi free so because you are putting a lot in it. Sang on me free ba. You say we boa.
Yes, a boa.
So you agree with me say music is business.
Try left and right.
From Ikomwe.
Oh,
left hand and right hand.
Oh, say, yeah, dear, now you Sebi, human dear no, on Pepan and Saka. True. I know they. So definitely, a swap background a beba. Okay. A bit me up and say, I will do Uzo Obiensoa music. I invested a lot in it, but onya she in film. Sebio. And ya dream say ye music and I say ye invest in this to get something. And in Kasebe ye bejai because most of ye events ne music are ye no. And ye na nya the disem numpuka ye nyampo. Ye nya ebi oha 10% kra. But in buya bem. Ye nim say we are preaching the gospel and we are making Jesus proud. Definitely the ye kind of wansem you make way. One way or the other. Diana, a drum maybe or no will just pave way for people to be a blessing to us. Said they are in Shramon. Okay. That is it.
The other side is one on my left and I right side. I'm maxing that because say Okwakoye Lady Reverend Didier. Ed Nika say O Kenyami asem no through your music. Which you see music is food for the soul.
Yeah.
Until you know say definitely obe reach more people when you use the music, you know. It I know that, but then yenya instances bebre a drew baby a wa o hwe adwuma waye na o expect most musicians say expect say be a so emphasis na emba because ashase no omo the business aspect of it. They just wanted to do the say can seminar nkwano na asa ba ye ho na yen abana maka mabusa bunti wadwen chene say wo so to left and right niti. It's I just want to be sure say only me agree say music is also on the business side.
Oh, and me can me no boom.
Yeah.
Definitely enti me ko ba say trasa to say the you know who invest and I'm going to invest here something comes out of it. Yes. But no one year you don't get anything out of it. Yeah.
Professionally, how long have you been doing music? And then if for the back means what how many songs do you have out there?
Okay, so I have been doing music for past 18 years.
Odi ina kahwana. Mami abotre Mami abotre
me have been in the studios for long. Na me BVs. Me backing vocalist Emma artist bebre.
Okay.
Started from Sunyani.
Okay.
And me back Kumase.
Okay.
Me music videos. And imwana me am so me come so me started yacho.
Yeah.
No matter to nyum kra wa so dem master dem.
Afi won in tembuza.
Enti no de enu kra dem mfa nka ho.
Afi won in tembuza say is music business to you or not no. Because when him say yes ankomo we are on. Ega first no. Backing vocalist, songwriter. When ni enfo mo nya hwi. Ni enfo mo nya hwi.
Ni me ko nanim.
Thank you.
Ni me ko nanim.
Because you nyina here realize say enyum to nansa na ebe ba ma yate no.
Nipa
na ewachi na least we need to appreciate them.
Exactly.
Each time me be say you say what the mama about training nyina kan ho but I think with what you've said, with what you've explained, you know, it's only right. Say as you said, say if you've been a backing vocalist and then all that and about wo nyum na ade aba ne kwa na make you a professional musician. I truly get that. So 18 good years. Personally, songs that was saying our team they are out. Wow.
Okay, so we've released 3 songs. Okay. I originals.
Okay.
But other ones na existing ones na you know kakaya kakano you be 3 4.
Okay. It was the 3 songs professionally.
Yes.
We can say that. Cannot say yen. Yakika boom about 3 songs yen na dia babonte. So it's pushing me to ask the next question. Say are you under management? Are you under a record label? And I say, any Hong Kong
Thank you. I'm not under any record label for now, but I have a management team.
Okay.
I said, "You manage me coming to me." We didn't need the eba. Now we didn't need the abanti. Me management team no, and I make us say yen.
Management team so we acquire busia enye kratasem star ukrutu wachi back we are sure say we acquire busia mo
me kumbo machi dom pa ono ne di montintim
ntinye pepasem
dear
odo de
aside on one thing I like about him is no ye adwuma enye odo asem
you keep it professional
exactly intino ye adwuma they are different and yeah, we're in so different.
Okay. Intinese usike bi akoka baby anya afi na enkwani school fees ne kra. Isaje for anya afi na make enkwani fees na ma intino. Let's be professional. That from Adam
professional.
From Adam
professional.
We know na intinese. From Adam na best o mpesa yiri bi asa. Nice one. 3 songs to your credit professionally.
Yes.
What was the first one? And I say let me put it this way. Which one of them now Becca say or the two or a man nipa be hunu you entirely same lady the Lucy Ninyum near way the Matonium no like which one of that songs?
Okay, so we released a praise medley, we released Kon and a current one, a gratitude. No. And so Kon Bema and Crofobia home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Already no, not only through the music videos as I said, but Kon no almost I know your Miami songs we got first no now you two different kind existing songs now you polish it. Sorry, like the aka
polish
they mean can say it's already polished.
It's up to me to join me say to me polished
but when the end the aka home
you bomb me don't worry you bomb me
and I said yeah the bibi aka home nah yeah so I know we were doing that one. So people got to know us through those ones, but was okay. On crowd, young phone, live worships are, but your names or songs. So when they got to know, say, I have a song called Kon. Okay, so they fell in love with it. And
3 songs. So give me the title again.
We have a praise medley.
Okay.
We have Kon, and we have gratitude.
Praise medley, not the battery moise and tonton.
As I sorry, a sound me battery.
And a Kon, and then I said that. I know a lot more will be coming.
Yes.
So I just want to know, say first 2 and I say first 3. BB am planning to release those songs. And especially the title na accompany, you know, is it to speak something? And I say, just more of like the motivation you get after writing the song, and what the title or songs are.
Okay, so some of the songs, especially with the last two, Kon and I said, gratitude. No, the lyrics of the songs comes out with the titles, no, especially with the Kon. The lyrics of the song actually brought out the title, no, but with gratitude, you know, from the look of things, the nyame around us, whatever we see around us, no. Nyankopon say I said that.
Okay.
You have to give thanks to him.
Okay.
So that is it.
Kon, can you give us a line or two? Not to say your favorite line, but a line or two that you think it really came out of you.
Wahini free me something utumi muni shebia ufre tri enyamyo na wahidi turincharada kronkron erade
ampa. There are people that back musicians that have mounted stages more than musicians. And I want to know, professionally doing music, starting career, may can say because we can say 3 songs they be on mounted stages, but with all background out there, my end say you've done backup, you've done renditions of other people's songs. Definitely, there's been countless of stages you've stepped on. How was it like? And also, it's saying, especially you coming off the background of a reverend minister yourself, then also getting the chance to, you know, move from the reverend ministry to ministering the gospel through lyrics. How has that experience also been?
It has been so nice. I've mounted a lot of stages. Mean to me kind.
Okay.
Mean to me kind. From churches to the platforms, the outdoors, the bigger ones, the moderate ones, the normal. Mean kind.
Okay.
It has been so wonderful because we get to know, say, at the end of the day, you know, testimony is free. Imuba. People calls us. Omoka de omufili de enyum na ya momo de administrations aya momo. So ema yenya hotoso na anije bi say okay. We are not slacking. Ejuma no. And that is the bottom line. And only ye need satisfaction they say through our songs no any pair wa abontin will be touched and omobe hu say nyaminsa no daso ye ejuma and you say we are just doing something like that.
Okay.
But to touch lives out there.
Okay.
And we get that responses. Enti am I me de menya feeling kese pa me feeling kosro.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Mesa back to stages now, but let me ask you, release a Concorde
last 2 years.
Last 2 years. And I said that a release this year.
This year. Praise Medley was last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the marginal song releases, no, so my yearly.
Team, no, we are still working on that and see if a bit me, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and I agree on the fact that music is also a business.
So Mr. Black person or Trimia baby.
May probably Busa say, because Busana went to me and from Nakasabin Busa Jeff and answer chairman ordinary Bama. Say on the release of Konko, how well did it do on the streaming platforms?
Oh, with that, I think I don't have my numbers right. Intimate mount the exact.
Oh no. Business money.
No, not really. But me to me about the exact. But the next time I'm ever having, me promise so.
Okay.
Remember the exact.
Let's talk about Aseda.
All right.
Aseda. So, what I saw online, your release date was on the 1st of February.
Yes.
Or double Sumiana release.
Yes, 1st of February.
Yes. Was there a reason why it came in 2026 and then also the 1st of February and then also Ghana they Valentine Day na you should then you said that you was special interest we were honum so why release it in February and then also storyline about Asedan and so yeah.
Okay. All right. So we we don't have a special ABN said release in February. We were working on it and juma definitely sebe intimi mfa juma sin emba emesumi man forsa. So it was already we finished everything somewhere in January. So near video same ni bibia ye be wie no. There was a basic ending of January na I say I will say right from there now you release it. And you release it in February, Yes. And the storyline talks about Unipa when it does so na sakra. You don't have anything, Enipa mbu ye.
Can I connect the dots? We release the Corona streaming platform now yet the next car balance when in Nana. Or the who was them they said
Mr. Black wow comes.
Yes. Mr. Jeff, sorry, I mean it's all a man of pool. Is here Mr. Jeff a man of pool, Winty. After the manager in you, we manager artists do come on. Manager a fan chairman man of pose.
There be cry, there be.
Mammy Dio, may think aloud.
You see, it's not about that. It's not about that. A different thing altogether. Yes. And so when I come, Mama will promise.
Yeah.
The next time I'll come here. Me me be a job. Send me printing my come printing. I'm
so I said so 1st February and I release it. How well has it been doing compared to release Concrono? The number of people are you getting there as you'd want? And I say you feel it's the message that you just want to deliver. In as much as said the TBR, no, you are okay. Once you're able to put it out there, you are okay. And as Obeka said to say,
it's a message we wanted to deliver, all right, but we deliver message, na say osomu phone no na otie phone no ankona suma we deliver baby. And so the responses coming are very good. Na yes nya me say omo aye na onom yen with this very song enya me anam chori.
Okay.
I wrote Konko, but this very one.
Okay.
Me bra Frank Mensa Junior yenyum tuni. Obia no nyame nsuane pa o can say obema me nyoma for a very long time na mother. So one time bi me ho na assess of mama I feel am person me de nyom ne ma o.
Okay.
Na me say what a cross of me de ma me ne that time so na ma take seed me ba be wo o de ba na me husband say sua na wo abeto na me say na ma wo ma ye mre no we de ma actually not that time me ready for that.
Yeah.
But my husband they push me. So I have to so me me back Kumase no say me go studio na me go to. and I'm a koto in Yamisha Filippo Fifa's records recording my main ye and Huejuma Genius Productions, and we are here.
Okay, yeah, but kakra. I remember Funtini because they are all on the platforms. Yes. I would want them to go there to go search for it. Now you take kakra, but won't you just a responsible man be any baby. Free by boy Busiana, why to take the new kind. Who take his seat, Yamu dwell a buano so we pay obey. Free
and I'm make a just say, oh no, when it's business, it's business. It's no, only say, on say, me take his seed, no, actually. Nyame boy am I to me near programs but me call you know so what they will take you some time to be okay answer. So no here time now I've been reluctant me nyehwe na but no mpese me as met nam hon has to come because nyame adu and say what me start true. No person cut it at him then. I feel I'm no person cut it at him then or they cut it him then indeed. Men did him and Mr. Ehete.
Lady Lucy, she calls this one. I said that you me bar. Let's continue the conversation.
And then my Mayansiro, oh now I did them for 20 pana, and then my Buffy. I've done in your many and a fufu.
I was saying they are Sida man and Lucy in the background with us Sida. Growing up, was there one gospel musician baby and I will look you up to Anna?
It's amazing.
Me tell a voice on the song, you know. Will be up by in mind. That's why I wanted to ask you that after your song. There be can't answer.
Oh yeah.
Can't answer.
There we go.
Mama Cindy.
Mama Cindy Thompson.
Yes.
How?
Voice no. That's what I'm asking.
Oh, okay.
So tell me, you know and you know. What do you say?
They only imagine as a baby born crying.
Aye.
And then be so Mr. Bontin.
The same things in the Thompson.
Hey, fine.
Seriously.
Actually, me as a mo. Na me ni obia na me pe mpanifo no na mo no bi te say ye ma me Dina Hamilton. Ye ma me PCS star. Ye ma me Obapa Christie. Mama Esther Nyameche.
Okay.
And Daughters and Glorious, yeah. Mama Cynthia. Na me almost them. But actually na me ni one particular person I may say I am looking up to.
Okay.
Yes. But na me the way they sing, the way they relate to people, name fit na me pay. Yeah.
Okay. Back to this year, because I've learned to know that pattern about gospel musicians. It make him great because other artists doing their own genres don't do that. But whenever a gospel artist at the nyom barbonting, whether it's an EP, maybe or the album barbonting, and the next thing you find them doing, or more mounting a stage be to call other musicians to come help them now. With it and other songs no or more I'm asking in the stage up your sleeves, up or no management sleeves no. Do you guys have any upcoming event? Do you plan on having any upcoming event? Because I'm gonna say me who say acquire partner gospel musicians say yeah. That is why, and also now you didn't come about you mountain stages. I was talking about Nyamia Dominti. We mounting a lot of them now. Yeah. Do we foresee you mounting any stage, any CCM baby since the release of Asideyana?
Okay, that's it. So we have an upcoming program, which is on the 1st of March. First March, yeah, 2026, okay. Yeah. I was Gina Sequada, so C school.
Okay.
So for you can say Prophet Samuel Labijima.
Okay.
In the church hall.
Okay.
And we've been doing this program for 8 years. This year, I think is it the C's or the C's time, but it was for 8 years.
Okay.
Yeah. Into I find food for the king. Yeah. We pacho wadaroma. Any ayi sorry.
Any be Tony.
Nyango for ayi sorry any Nediane ayi sorry if it's also otinema ayi mu. So that is basically that we give worship and praise this to him. And so no we are into this year so be last year to me but this year be last 2 years and they record day chrono and they release year. So this year so nyame adma be no 1st of March 2026 we had just like 3 weeks. Yeah
Joe for flying to so mama na so for mama say no the second tallest man of God in the country, the first tallest man of God in the country no. But who news be me confirmation? So Pastor Nixon, Martin news be about I don't know. Say Debbie, he's the first tallest man. I think Martin a passing, but I'm not so sure. I would want to get it. I would want to be sure. Tina, Pastor Labiji man the second tallest man of God in the country. Adrian, I kind of known him personally. I can't answer 1 or 2. I just wanted to confirm. Who can the second tallest man?
Me can't don't worry.
Oh, Debbie. So who can say na sorry na?
Sorry.
Na me chire.
Okay.
Say they be nimu no chire.
Okay.
So food for the Ken 2026 takeover service. Lady Lucy ene ni nuanom ne wo fa cinema ene na dofo Kingsword Family Church. Jonasi, right? Yeah. So on the 1st of March 2026, 4 p.m. Is it just going to be music, ministration, and all, and answer more other activities? Will be able to participate, and answer the focus is on the music and then the ministration and what they turn to me already.
Okay, this is a music ministrations prayer and you know, a takeover service no a time that we get to God. Ye konyame anim say it's about time dear e was erade fa efa wo ye ho a enya ye mpe no erade mfa brabo no no mfa nya bibi foforo unim da bia ye ko nyame anim ana say ye ko gatherings bisa ne akosa ne ahwirihwiri ye ho atimfifiri ne ababa we realize say ade na aya na wo ye so e wo ye ho a ye de ko yakoma so ade no it's not tackled. But this time around today ye pese wo ba akoma so ade na wo de ba ana say esuni botaye na wo de ba no be focused na hu ne say ubeje mama urade say onfa no onfa odomu no onsesa wa brabo ma if it was a enema bi etimi tani wo nipa bi abrabo ma fi ma enema bi ye kama nti ya fi no expect say wa brabo na wo mpe abrabo dada no ubenya abrabo foforo nyame be sakra enema mu ama bibia ye fine.
Joe, the so for my kind of as change and say it's a bedding night and I say it's a bedding day. Oh how no? Oh the Fabra sorry them.
That is it.
Now settle mind chimney to say
I just want people that want to you come with something like if you have a passport.
Yeah.
I'll say utu kwai. You have minimobia challenging nyame with the applications. Ebi a opejuma. Come with an application a watcho unim company bia wo tro akoma no afagidi tro o letter wo CV print ka ho fashion brown envelope mu now the bra wo passport na pese o tu kwan wo de fa wo passport ne bra o pese o ware to ring and e bi o ha efo wo de to no bi o pa o yo ba to be ma de to ba de Fabra, we a bema to. I am a man doing say man power. Remember the music power.
You get to that stage in life.
Exactly. Because Bibia be free on chamber, I bet me out now on chair. Get a ring, come. The old panel. May I just want an me per se evidence be would be back as an evidence. Now the ninya maybe pam.
Yeah.
Bring something. Now the yenche from that time now the chin here could beti me ayama.
Matches of one me. Bonzi. Only show ne so de ma basi ni komodiana me jemo time ni na mo na masenya reverend mo enti na nya hwe o bibi ababusa reverend na it's also
okay see I think say was a jai question we busa say gospel musicians by we busa almost say do they take it as a profession and I say do they see it as a business venture? I will say jai bisa because they will never admit it. But the fact is odo ho share adwuma bi na obokaye na onya returns me nya sure so be why na ye adwuma
boka dia umpe
so what I say so you see 3 songs to your credit.
Yeah,
back and forth say you are making a lot tiase Otiase free has say you invite what do I call obi sorry now call you but you say a media guys too.
Yeah,
reach now I don't know if you came with black cast na board in the video
Camry ne
GLE Land Cruiser mapa ke wase
Maybach ne Lamborghini mo
fuel nko akra be de now be dress so mama we there
Uni nyame ne bae na me kwara hwem na me gwa uni nyame ne bae
what I say so we should be able to differentiate it near moment say a lot is going into our craft and we need to pay for our services say ya woni daddy mushia na mo ye adwuma mo de odosem to nchen na matia say na if you are dealing with other people you need to know minim lady be o ma sorry her friend best thing and cut a wife. Yeah. Try and so that you guys could put up something. The teen the friend say medley be.
Yeah.
It's rolling at the pan. So money sorry. So and but the honor obey sorry. Program. Yeah. She's also very good at it. Opemsuo you'll be able to but the question here back.
Okay.
You okay, Nyango?
Oh, there be radio mogo.
Pray laughs.
So has there ever been a situation and some now are conflict with and when lyrics now and has there ever been a situation? You see, you need to practice what we preach. So sometimes you preach something or probably say something in your music, then you be preaching contrary to Adiana or Kayan. So has there ever been a situation? And I say, so how did you deal with it?
All right, let us say, or her phobia, you must say. So, me na me koka asemono. Sementimia and sheme husuyi. How can I present the thing? Because me name says me yewe. Na se me koka we ya. Debi na ebe chaba bebo me anase nipa na me kan sem na chom na akra ade kodie no ebe yi me maten. Ansa kra na nyame abu maten. In order to prevent that, I was say me ye die se me ye no. Me kan ho asem na was say me ye bi. Sebio me ye signpost keke. Na me ne nam ho. I have to do there was a means me there me pese me catch me pese wo ye na was a means me be exactly. So I practice what I preach.
So it makes your work very difficult because you need to live a certain life and you need to write lyrics according to life now living intino. So one jam to me say music is business. Let's say we do be when ya so what about sorry wa mausika.
and to add up to the Ubuntu Ubusa, you know, if I understand you all, on say you know, Sebi menye sofu, menko sofu di school. I'm saying this with my own knowledge. Say we share a sofu and our reverence na. Sorry na kwa yes, you'd have to give a daily life example of the word. Nyame asemi nso nye ne ya wo me ne simply but then we use a ne asem ne de kire erade asem na o ma amanfo te ase. I feel that is the big disabunti de bisa because just as young as beautiful as you are obi bia obi gina nim don bia obi gina o manim se wo ka asem no sebi onipadua o ye bia kra ka ho na obi tie wo. I know you'd also want to speak to nipa no wo kasa obeti asie mu enti abunti say bia wabonyom abotre bible ne de na wo use ya o ba wo ka asem no abotre no wo ko use nyom na wa hwa na ayeyi nipa na ante wase. Let me put it that way. Na mu say what the ba into normal life efa ayi o video man ya ni wo ogina minche ya the phone is just about woman here. What they need any card here, people and or get you and understand you. I need to say it's been beautiful. It's been nice having this conversation with you.
Thank you.
On the 1st of March, 2026.
Yes, please.
King's Word. Family. Location is far from me. Beautiful time.
So generous. Would you please deploy? Ofa edwena se kwan na see school ni mo a hona sorry no time ni 4 p.m. Awadaroma 4 p.m. me pa cho we yenyi gate fee bia ena we so sebe we ga say I just say me nipa sen ansa na ba me nipa su ben ye nipa su
na wonton CD so gate
ton CD
miracle
yenton CD atare a obi anya say ye share all white and dress and come and meet Jesus.
Ready for now.
Ready for now.
You know what to do.
You know what to do. Come and meet Jesus. Come with those things that I mentioned, your heart desires, but have an evidence in your hands and answer with you. Come with it. Now far akoma unexpected heart. Come with it. Pray. Let's see what we'll do. Because Jericho first no and yom to so ebia now the crowd any time ye bompaye no ebia now the opening song I'll bet from the beginning no and on the day testimony beba. So please don't be late because who name the best start program and I name the end.
First match me dan
kwesiada.
Okay. And 4 years said be a sorry bia wo ko bia
betimi akodi udidi wi a sorry, because you say you're point 12 in one. Could you do yeah?
Item 13. What is that? I don't know where I was. I tell you,
I think the management in the fan hour hunting or muti.
Item 13 is highly assured.
The 4th of March, I think it should be on my calendar.
The 1st of March.
1st of March.
Yes, sir.
It should be on my calendar. Sure. If not anything, it's always happiness when you are called to come into the Lord's house.
Yes.
It would also be a privilege to me to see you,
Mr. Bonti, producer in
Hamidimu.
Yes, Midimu. Special invite Bebrem. That room, me hiamo pa.
One farmer creba.
Me hiamo. Me person me said that the brem.
That's it.
Na ma timi aba.
That's it.
There's no me who say me evidence.
Yes.
Yes, so the
evidence. Yes, you need to bring ours. It's been nice, as I said earlier, talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Common be see why be na o be our person or the acid be man or assembly a person or catch amanfo eti o nkranhye simbi a wo pese odi jame meti fo ne mahwefo a akonya ne wo ho na odi aka ho amame
yeda obia se yen etiefo nyina no yeda obia se yen ministry ye fans ye followers yeda omo nyina se yede nwumi baaye no omasom yesro mo se omo nkoso a no mo streaming omo ma enwum no enko viral. They should listen and listen to it. Well, no one share then koko because say there are testimony am obi no minim say a bit me testimony so am obi for front so inti ye da mo nyina say ye bloggers ye radio presenters. In fact e bia started born din kra che say efe odona mo chere no ye fe mo nkoso anso e musa nja munni ho a ye ni ho odaroma nyame show bia TikTok phone oh me pacho me TikTok phone nyina nyame nhamo me da mo ase bebre
DC but me be stories and na wo me table so na mahunu ba ko about ye ma me body di intimidate bi di busaw bonti na nke be yan ba me busaw dan how me tin kan was say gospel artists pay more at O2. Mama used to say gospel artists pay more at event venues because they don't sell alcohol. It may be said also sanity. I would to Kadodo in terms of open venue. I'll be sure.
Mammy, and then my mamma,
Cindy Thompson.
Is it Mama simplify no? Is it true you pay more for event venues?
Some of the places are not for free. Some of them you pay.
Okay.
I was saying,
Matita's neck with your mom.
It's very true.
Get Bell Mike, Casagu Mike,
it's very true.
Okay. Bunty Mani news would be. Aye. Sansi, my Debbie, you heard the bell here.
Mechete for my befeed or henny. It's our henny if you can see mu penifo na.
Yeah, Jesus.
Sasevno black and no crepa,
sir.
And no crepa. O say Antidana baby would drew na or beka O2 asem.
Yeah.
Yeah, from bra from crime, bra from two. Or mom pay sponsorship for gospel events. No.
Yeah.
No, you won't get it from people, organized institutions. That be unya, because you say gospel do not sell.
That is the word out there.
Some way somehow to true. Some way somehow it's true because I think yesterday ye nyomano afunu kofo. Into gospel no so to say Shatawale ba Park Ema. Antidana Hamilton eba. Obey no bantam Pentecost.
Yeah.
Stadium ne bantam. You won't send pana bano bia kaso to Hennessy bakwa.
Yeah.
Oh how mama can imagine.
Yeah.
By the gospel, a beton you. it's you crebi di om de be bag maba. It's been always like that. It's been always like that. And
I'm happy when there is an issue, then you realize the issue and you work towards it.
Yes.
Because I, for 1 year, microphone be say, na most gospel musicians gone are the days no money. I was one of it. I always ask myself why nyamenyum bia just say yesu and I reho me na me that type no na me say me ntiase say you money titi o mo na e de o ba say afi e be it's be bia na yesu is singing the Lord's word through music all about sorrow. It's I was not me junior was because said the Oma example omo de na ye when so why don't you also do gospel music that excites the body
exactly
and also has the word in it because many ji na mission too
exactly
say ya de na when ji ho na usua to you don't actually write the lyrics so I think ye nyina ye hu no and then I for one can say moving on me said there are changes I feel ebeba you see a creative art school yes you the creative art school you see a farmer training
creative art school
also see Lady Lucy but that's said no buy now have a beautiful conversation definitely the 1st of March in Naibisha with Genesis School the second tallest man of God in your part I'm say I sorry them ho we would all be there and then also Aseda is out there on the streaming platform. Ye in camera ye fi and him funny Aseda being on the streaming platform.
Oh, the streaming platforms no nina baby visuals no so YouTube inti ubetimi akwa heavy shops no so
it dim best name
Lady Lucy official.
Okay.
Lady Lucy official.
And our personally social media handles and access
Lady
management.
Lucy official.
Okay.
Actually Lady Lucy official on TikTok, Lady Lucy on Facebook page, and LR Lucy on the main Facebook, Instagram Lady Lucy official. So it's Lady Lucy official.
Okay. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for being here.
Thank
and
you.
I would say it's been a fruitful conversation.
Thank you, sir.
Just as
Thank
I would
you for
say
having me
so
here.
for my listeners and my watchers. Nice.